all, this is Harry J from Ask Communication. In this video, I'm gonna do a hard factory reset to Samsung Galaxy S20 cellular phone. But before doing this, do a backup of everything in your phone. Okay, I'm gonna unlock this phone. It's a lovely looking phone. Let me reduce bit light so you can see properly. Here we go. Okay, without any further ado, go to the setting. In the setting, you have to find this option, account and backup. Hit this one. As you see at the bottom, you have this option, it's called reset. Hit this one. Okay, in reset, you have so many options. At the top, you have reset setting. After that, you have reset network setting. Then you have reset accessibility setting. Then you have factory data reset and auto reset, another one. I'm gonna do factory data reset. Hit this one. It's gonna erase everything from your phone, all the document data you have. Okay, if you're ready for that, hit reset. But before doing this, do a backup of everything. Hit reset button, delete all. You have to put your password. I'll put the password and I'll be back. Okay, I hit the password and the reset process is started. As you see, it's restarted couple of times the phone. You have to wait for the phone to doing all the things by itself. Okay, Samsung again and again flashing. You can go and grab some tea or coffee. Meanwhile, it's resetting. It's showing me now something is starting. It took much time. Now it's done. Okay. You see, comenzamos, that means start, put your language and do setup as you did for the first time. So this is hard factory reset to Samsung Galaxy S20 cellular phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.